In Ag Matters, a research partnership at Merced College is putting its students at the forefront of the hemp industry. It started this year. The goal is to create a foundation for hemp research and give students hands-on training. As our Dennis Valera reports, those in the hemp industry say California still has to catch up when it comes to that plant, and they hope partnerships like this one will become more common.
So I'm not seeing any reproductive structures on this one yet.
On Merced College's campus, Dr. Valerie Albano and two of her students have been determining what microorganisms help hemp grow and what insects help or hurt the plant. Hemp is a cannabis plant with high amounts of CBD or cannabidiol. It's the relaxing component of cannabis with very, very little THC or tetrahydrocannabinol, the psychoactive component of cannabis.
When I started reading the literature on how hemp is grown, specifics about the plant, there is a lot of anecdotal information out there, but not a lot of it has been scientifically vetted. And so it seemed to us that the best approach to researching hemp was just go at the basic biology route.
With little scientifically known about it, the college has partnered with the Greenbrier Hemp Research Institute and a local hemp farm in Madera County to create this paid research opportunity.
Are you able to spread the wings on the lacewing?
I haven't tried them yet.
For students, it's hands-on experience in agriculture research, a big plus for Rebecca Kripe, who plans to turn her passion for bugs into a career as an agricultural commissioner.
This is a really valuable experience because I'm seeing, okay, this is not just something that I'm really interested in, it's the other part of what I'm interested in.
As well as biotechnology research, Areli Duran sees herself working in a clinical lab down the road.
Even though it's not exactly the same thing, it's partially almost around. It's very, how do you say, it's similar. What I want to do is more human, but it's still similar.
The two are big drivers in the Central Valley's economy. Dr. Albano says the college's mission has always been to train its students for the modern workforce. But her other goal with this is to build a foundation yet to be established for hemp.
Hemp is a fascinating organism that is very underappreciated by modern biologists. So I'm really looking forward to identifying new aspects of the hemp plant and kind of designating it as something separate from other cannabis plants, which definitely have a lot more research. These students are in on the basic level of what's going to be happening in a cutting-edge emerging industry.
Down in Fresno, Fresno State junior Ali Perez has been operating her business Humble Hemp Products out of the university since last year. She sells CBD oil and body butter, and while she says the Central Valley's culture on hemp improved, she admits the stigma hemp has for being cannabis can be hard to deal with.
I've been at vendor events and people will walk up and straight up say, what you're selling is illegal, and so they don't even give me the opportunity to explain, so it's very harsh.
Her products are outsourced from Colorado since California doesn't have a lot to offer right now.
The industry here in California really is barely beginning.
But hearing about the research at Merced College, she wants more institutions here to start similar programs. So her hope of completely sourcing Central Valley-made products can be achieved.
I'm in the process of working with other hemp farmers and seeing what they are and what they want to do with their hemp.
The research partnership at Merced College is only in effect for a year, but Dr. Albano already plans to request an extension so more can be learned about the plant and, more importantly, to get more students in on the opportunity.
This is a perfect relationship for us to get our students up to speed on what the skills that they need to get jobs.
Dennis Valera, KC24, Local News that Matters.